Unlock your solo videography potential with the Nikon Z8 and master self-recording like a pro. To start, you'll need to think about how you'll monitor yourself. The Z8's articulating screen is your best friend here. Flip it out and rotate it so you can see your framing and exposure for optimal visibility, especially in bright conditions. Consider a small, portable monitor that you can mount on your camera or a cage. Next, stability is key. Mount your Z8 securely on a robust tripod. A ball head or a fluid head will give you the flexibility to precisely adjust your framing. Ensure the tripod is at your eye level or slightly above for a natural perspective if you're indoors and need to save space. A compact tabletop tripod can also work. Now, let's dive into crucial settings for self-recording. You'll want to prioritize continuous autofocus. Navigate to your AF mode and select continuous AF or AFC. Also, ensure subject tracking is enabled and set to human or person to keep yourself locked in focus, even if you move slightly. For a professional look, consider your picture control. While you can use default settings, experiment with flat or neutral picture controls for more dynamic range when editing later. And don't forget white balance. To avoid color shifts, set it manually to match your lighting conditions, or use a dedicated white balance card and the custom white balance function. Framing is vital for engaging content. For self-recording, a wider focal length, generally between 24mm and 50mm on a full-frame sensor, is ideal. This allows you to fit more of your background into the shot and creates a more immersive feel. Avoid very wide lenses up close, as they can distort your features. Audio is half the battle. While the Z8's internal mic is decent, an external microphone will elevate your sound quality dramatically. A small shotgun microphone mounted on top of your camera or a lavalier microphone clipped onto your shirt are excellent options for clear, focused audio. With these essential settings and techniques, you're ready to film yourself with the Nikon Z8 and create high-quality video content, all on your own.